Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the Quotex affiliate program. Today, we'll explore the incredible benefits of becoming an affiliate. Let's dive into how you can easily sign up for the Quotex affiliate program. Follow these simple steps to get started. Understanding the commission structure is key to maximizing your earnings. Let's break down what you can earn as a Quotex affiliate. Now that you're signed up, how do you promote Quotex products? Here are effective strategies to get the word out. Maximizing your affiliate marketing results takes strategy. Here are some proven tips to boost your effectiveness. Let's clarify how the payout process works and the different payment options available to you. Every journey has its challenges. Let's discuss some common hurdles and how you can overcome them. Inspiration is a powerful motivator. Here are real-life success stories from successful Quotex affiliates that showcase what's possible. Let's look ahead to 2025 and explore future trends in affiliate marketing that you should be aware of. Are you ready to embark on your affiliate journey with Quotex? We encourage you to take the first step today.